Roshan Jain. I think I have not seen this name before. Roshan, he's in which class? C or A? Nobody knows. Roshan, where is he? Gone. Any Roshan is there in your class? Just 1 minute. Okay. Um, so here I told you regarding the value added method. Value added method, when we are telling, it's not the value of intermediate goods. We are not adding in that. What we are adding, the person who is making the final product, how much value that person is adding to the raw material. That is what we are taking. That is what you mean by value added. Okay, sometimes, for example, raw materials are added in different steps, and what value the final product you are getting, what value added is added by the particular person who is producing that, that is taken. We have to reduce the intermediate consumption, or we have to reduce the intermediate spending, what we are spending, what we are doing. Okay, now, yes, value added method. I told you one formula to find out this uh, domestic product. What is that? I told you we have to take something. From that, we have to reduce something. What did I tell in the previous period? Anyone?
Value
Ah, correct.
value of output minus intermediate consumption.
That is correct. So here, value added method. It is GVA. This is what value added. Okay, this GVAMP, that is what we are finding, or that is what I told that mean by this value added method. Now this is the same as, not arrow mark, then this is the same as GDPMP. You know what is GDPMP? Right. You know, you have studied about GDPMP before. So when we are talking value added method, we are using here VA. So GVAMP is the same as GDPMP. Please write it down or note down. No. How we can find this GVAMP? This is what I told you in the previous period. Value of output minus, from this what we have to minus, what we have to reduce. Anyone?
Intermediate consumption.
Yes, intermediate consumption. This is a formula. Now, value of output, sometimes they will give you as sales. Okay, how you will get the value of output? Okay, there's sales. Sales means what now? Price into quantity. That is what you mean by, just 1 minute. Yeah, price into quantity. That is what you mean by this uh, s- sales. Okay. Now here, value of output minus intermediate consumption, you get GVAMP, that is the same as GDPMP. We are using value added method, that term we are using, but that is why we are using this GVMP. It is the same as GDPMP. Please keep it in your mind. Okay. Now, another formula, not formula, you can say, sometimes in the question, they will give you sales, they will give you, plus with that, they will give you opening stock, closing stock. Okay. Now, what do you mean by this opening stock and closing stock? What do you mean by that? Anyone? Sometimes you know that, okay, I'll tell you. Sometimes you know that whatever we are producing is not sold off at the end of the year. Sometimes it remains there. Okay, so closing stock, something is remaining. Now, opening stock, what we are going to produce more or what is remaining here, that will come as a opening stock. Okay, so here, what we have to do, sometimes they will give you in the question opening stock, closing stock. So that time, what formula you have to use, that is a bit different. This is sales. Sales is the same as the value of output. Okay, sales will come. Then with that, you have to plus closing stock minus opening stock. Then from this, we have to reduce intermediate consumption. Sometimes they will give only sales. That means the value of output. If they have given only sales, you take like that. There is no other, nothing you have to do. You can do. In this, sometimes in the question, they will give you closing stock, opening stock, like that. So what you have to do with the sales, you have to add that closing stock minus opening stock. Or we say for this, just I will put it in little more different manner. Sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption. Consumption. I'm not just writing fully. So what is this change in stock here now? What is this change in stock? Which I
Closing stock minus opening stock.
yeah, closing stock minus opening stock. That is what you mean by this change in stock. Okay. Now understand. Sometimes they have given only sales here. So directly you can use the sales. From that sales, you have to minus the intermediate consumption. Sometimes they may give you sales. With that, they may give you closing stock or opening stock. That means there is a change in the stock. So sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption. This way you have to do. Okay. Now, why it is closing stock and opening stock is coming like that? Because all the output what is produced, sometimes it is not sold off. Sometimes it remains. That is why it is like that. Now, now, next one. Sometimes they will give you sector wise, like you know what are the sectors of the economy? Anyone? Sectors of the economy you have studied?
Primary, secondary, and tertiary.
Primary, secondary, and tertiary. Sometimes what they will do, primary sector, this much of sales. Primary sector, this much of intermediate consumption. Like that, separate they will give. Okay, primary sector this much, secondary sector this much, tertiary sector this much. If they give a question like that, what you have to do, each sector wise, you have to find what is the GVA, I mean gross value product, gross value added. With that, total it then. How you will find out for the whole within the country for whole when we have to find out, we have to add the primary sector, the secondary sector, and tertiary sector. So first you have to find out separately in the primary sector how much is value is added. Then secondary, how much value is added. Then tertiary, how much value is added. Then total this, you will get the final one. Okay. Now I'll give you an example for that, or I will give you a problem for that. You just write it down. Okay. Please write it down. Don't wait for me to finish. What is the third one? You got it. Intermediate consumption of primary sector. This is value of output in tertiary sector. Okay. Yes. Calculate GDP MP. Now I told that if you want to, if they have given primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector, what you have to do, you have to find out primary for value for, I mean GDP for primary sector, then secondary sector, then tertiary sector, total it up, you will get the GDP. first take for primary sector, what you have to do for getting the output in primary sector. Now one more clue I wanted to give you. I think you all can hear me, right? Okay. One more clue I wanted to give you. Some numbers are given which is not needed to be taken. Okay. What they have asked here, GDP. They have asked you GDP. So few numbers, what they have given here, it is not to be taken at all. So they are just giving you, giving that to confuse you. The formula is value added by primary sector plus secondary sector plus tertiary sector. If you sum up all these things, you will get. Aparna, primary sector,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
you will get? Primary sector, did you do for primary sector?
Ma'am, I was copying the question. I'm doing, ma'am.
Still it's not done as fast. Vanilla, have you done primary sector?
I'm doing.
No. Anybody? Grishma, did you do?
Yes, ma'am.
What you have done? How did you get?
Value of output minus intermediate
Intermediate
consumption.
consumption. Okay, value of output. So primary sector, you have to see value of output minus intermediate consumption. Could you do that?
Yes, ma'am. Value of output is 2000
Okay, value of output is 2000. Then
minus 1000.
minus 1000. This is for primary sector. Okay, this is for this. Now I think all must be knowing how to find out then secondary sector, tertiary sector. So I will ask anyone. Okay, now you got primary sector, it is done. How it is done? Anjo, where are you? Anjo, I can't hear. Where are you? I think he's not there. Okay. How you can get for secondary sector? Primary sector, it is given value of output minus intermediate consumption. Secondary sector, how do you get? What is the value of output in secondary sector, Anjo?
1800.
It is 1800. Okay. What is the intermediate consumption? Anjo went or what?
800.
800. Very good. So you got for secondary sector also. Now next one we have to see for tertiary sector. Karthik,
Yes,
how,
ma'am.
what will come for the next for tertiary sector?
1,400 minus 600.
1,400 minus 600. So here they have given what is that net factor income from abroad, net direct and taxes and all those things are not not needed at all. They have given you that to confuse you. Okay. Now you all got the answer for this. What is the answer?
2,800.
Very good. That is 2,800 rupees, or in crores they have given that I have not given you. Okay. So that is done. Okay. So if this is a very simple one, they will ask you directly how it is. They have given you directly what is primary, what is there in the primary sector, what is there in the secondary sector, what is there in the tertiary sector. Now, so this I told you about GDP, domestic product. I didn't tell you till now regarding how it becomes net national product. Okay. Now, so here, just 1 minute. Okay. Now, here to bring from, I told you in the beginning that is GVAMP is the same as GDP MP. Okay. Now here in this, we have to find national income. Okay, or we should bring that to the national income. Or what is national income? That is NNPFC. This is the same as national income. Now from GDP MP, we have to come to NNPFC. Okay. Now here GDP MP, I'm just writing. It is the same as this. I'm just repeating that this or this, it is the same. Okay, we have to find out NNPFC. Now, in this, I think this you have learned the formula you have learned before. Okay. Now, for that purpose, first thing what I'm doing is GDP to bring it to NNPFC. First thing, this is gross. This is what? This is net. Okay. So from gross to net, if you want to go, what you have to do? From gross to net, if you want to go, what you have to do? So we are going from gross to net. What you should do to get the NNP? Or you just think from gross to net, if you want to go, what you should do? Forgot?
Reducing direct taxes and subsidies.
Is it direct tax?
Depreciation.
Reducing depreciation. So that is depreciation, the first thing. So from GDP MP, we are going to find NNPFC. How to get that? That means NNPFC is equal to, okay, GDP. From this gross G, we are going to find out N net. So from gross to net, we have to reduce the depreciation. Next one, from D to N. D is what now? D is what? Nobody knows. What is D?
Domestic.
Domestic. You people are don't show me like this because it's a full form actually. Okay. So domestic. Then what is this N?
National.
National. Okay. So this is domestic. This is national. So from domestic to national, when we are going, what we should do? I have told you before something. From domestic to national, if you want to get something, you have to do something. What is that?
Add the foreign income.
Add the foreign income. What is that? Add the foreign income. There is a particular term. What is that?
NFIA.
Very good. So we are adding NFIA. Very good. Now here they have given. So product remains the same. Here it is MP. Here it is FC. Morning I told you from market price to go to factor cost, you have to do something. What is that? Morning I told you. I hope you might have written down. You are going from is that
Reduce indirect
like
taxes.
add or reduce? Okay. What is that? Reduce?
Indirect taxes and subsidies.
Okay. In that, for that indirect tax and subsidies, I gave you one term. What is that?
Net indirect
Net
taxes.
indirect tax. Okay, very good. So NIT. What is this NIT? Indirect tax minus, what is that remaining?
Subsidies.
Subsidies. Okay. So this is how we will find out. To understand that here gross is given. Same thing if they have given this to the side, what you will do? From this, what you will reduce or what you will add, you think of that. Okay, this NNP is given this side, you have to come to GDP. In that here minus depreciation, what you will do? Just opposite, plus depreciation. Here plus NFIA, we don't want in GDP this plus. So we have to minus it. Okay, minus NIT. That means, but actually what happens in GDP, all these things are included. They will not ask from this to that now. It is very rare. Okay, so here you can see GDP MP. From that, if you want to find out NNPFC, how the formula is created. GDP gross to net minus depreciation. We are reducing the depreciation from GDP. Then domestic to net, we are adding NFIA. Then MP to FC, we are reducing NIT. NIT is net indirect tax. How do we get that? Indirect tax minus subsidies. Now, so one more thing, GVA MP, GDP MP, value added, all these things are same. They are asking all the same thing. Okay, it's all same. Now, value of output. I told you before, value of output, that is the sales. I will go to the next. Value of output. We have to see three things in that. I told you before, sales, sometimes they might have given only the sales. Okay. Sometimes they have given opening stock. Sometimes they might have given closing stock. Now, sales. Sometimes in the question they will give domestic sales. This means what? What do you mean by domestic sales?
The sales within the country.
Sales within the country. Okay. Now, sometimes with that, they may give you export also. That means, what do you mean by export here now? The company is selling the things to other country. That is also coming under where? It is also sales, right? Okay. Sometimes sales all together they will give you in the question. Sometimes they will give you domestic sales this much, exports this much. So that means they have not given you sales directly here. What you have to do, these two you have to add, then only you will get the sales. Got it? Okay. One more thing I wanted to tell you, intermediate consumption. Intermediate consumption is what now? Is that actually the purchases done by the production units. or money spent by the production units. Okay. So here, intermediate consumption, sometimes they will give you domestic purchase, then import. I hope you are getting what I'm telling. Sometimes intermediate consumption, they will not give you directly. They will give you domestic purchase, import. So these both are what? Spending by the industry or spending by the production unit. So if it is given in separate, if for intermediate consumption, you have to add this. Okay. Sales also sometimes, sales directly sometimes they may give, otherwise sometimes they may give domestic sales, export, separate like that they will give you. So you have to add it to come to the sales here. Got what I said? I hope you understood. Okay. Now, next one, I will just give you one more calculation. So before that, once more, value. What is the formula to find out GDP MP in this value added method? Anyone?
Value of output minus intermediate
Intermediate
consumption.
consumption. Value of output minus intermediate consumption. Now, I told you regarding intermediate consumption, two parts are there actually for intermediate consumption. It can be domestic purchase plus import. For sales, domestic sales plus export. Okay. Now, calculate the value added. Please write it down. This is a very simple question. Find out. Now, what is the formula for this? Anyone? Value added formula? One person?
Value of output minus intermediate consumption.
Yeah, value of output minus intermediate consumption. Now, what is this value of output? It is sales. Here, domestic sales means value in our locality, value in our region, or value whatever we are selling in our country, within sales in our country. Exports in the sense sales in other countries. That also I told that it is a part of sales. Ashish Benny. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you do the answer? Did you do the sum?
No,
Ashish, where are-
no,
Huh?
ma'am. I was trying to complete.
Okay. What you are trying to complete? What you are writing now? Ashish, did you get value of output? Ashish, where are you? Ashish, speak up. There is no response. Ashish, I want you to talk. You talk, then only you will understand. That's why I'm asking you. Ashish, gone or what? Okay. Anila, did you do? You got? Anila, I can't hear you. Please unmute. Yes. Huh? Where is she? Anila, went or what? Are you there? Yes. Formula, you might have written value of output minus intermediate consumption. Have you written? Yes. What is the value of output? Value of output is what? It is a sales. How much you got for that sales? Anila also went, I think. What about Tomlin? Tomlin, you got value of output?
Ma'am, sales 4,000.
Sales, okay, sales, how much you got?
Ma'am, 4,000.
4,000. Is it sales? I told you, if they have given you sales directly, you can take that. Here, sales also means what? Domestic sales, that is within the country, plus exports. Okay, so here in this question, they have given the exports also. So value of output will be including the full sales. So what is the value for that, Tomlin? What is the value for?
Ma'am, 5,000.
5,000. That means when you are taking the sales or value of output, that I told before also, it is sales. So when we are taking that, we have to take 4,000 plus 1,000. And what is the intermediate consumption? Tomlin, what is the intermediate consumption? Intermediate consumption in the sense the money spent by that particular production unit. They have purchased here something.
Ma'am, 200.
200. Okay. So here,
200.
yes, minus 200. You got the answer?
Yes, ma'am, 4,800.
800. 4,800 is the answer. It is very simple question. You have to just understand that these two comes under sales. Okay. Now, one more question I am giving. Please, you have to cooperate with me. You have to do it very fast. Otherwise, it will take more and more time. Okay, fast. Or otherwise, I will give you this question as homework. Please do it and come. Just write it down. This is the question. You have to calculate GVAFC. Now see that in this question, they have given you opening stock, closing stock. Then they have given you subsidy. They have given you purchase of intermediate goods. Sales altogether they have given you. I told you that when opening stock and closing stock comes, you have to use something else. You have to use something else in the formula. Formula remains the same. That is value of output minus intermediate consumption. Can anyone tell that what change should be done in this? Okay, otherwise this you do as homework, then I will tell you. That's better. Here, whether they have given any split up for sales like domestic sale, export, like that, have they given? Is it like that or together they have given? How is it? Together they have given sales together. So there is nothing, no difference in that. But one thing they have given, opening stock, closing stock. This, what to do with the opening stock and closing stock? I have given you the formula. Just apply that. This formula is actually for GDP MP. Okay. From this GDP MP, you have to come to GVAFC. That means GDP FC only. I told you from market price to factor cost when you have to come. So first you have to do this, find out GDP MP with the closing stock and opening stock and all those things. So you got GDP MP. From GDP MP, you have to go to GDP FC. How from market price to factor cost to go to that? I have told you that. Okay, then I'm winding. Have you written down the question, everyone? Anybody did not write? Shall I wind it off? Please say something. I feel that you people are not hearing me. Are you hearing? Can you hear me? Okay. When I say something, you have to respond. Then I feel that I.
We wrote.
Okay. Everyone wrote. No, no problem, right? Shall I close it off?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.